All right, so let's talk about high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, now how do you start a high ticket affiliate marketing system? That is what we want to see. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business system where you promote other companies' products, and whenever a sale is made, you are paid commissions. All right, so that is how it works. So your only job when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing is to just share your link. So you want to go on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you are comfortable with, and then you want to start sharing your link there. That's just it. Now with high ticket, these are affiliate marketing systems that pay you high ticket commissions of $500 or $1,000 or even $2,000 per sale. So you can see that with high ticket, you can actually make a lot of money. All right. So if you look here right now, you will see how much I have made with this system here. Can you see that? $34,413. That is high ticket, right? Now you can see my name here, so you know that this is my account. So when you are thinking of making big money like this online, you want to promote systems that pay you high ticket commissions. Let me show you this system here. Now this system that you are looking at right now is called the OLSP system, and you can see how much I have made already with this system right now. Can you see that? Can you see that? $9,558. Why? Because this system pays you high ticket commissions. How do you like that? Awesome, right? I told you. So you can actually earn high ticket commissions just promoting this system. Now let me show you some of the commissions that I have received just promoting this system right now. Look at that. So I was paid by the Wen Crow Limited a commission of $679. Look, I told you, high ticket commissions are commissions of $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 per sale. And you can see I earned a commission of $679 paid straight to my Wise account from the OLSP system. So the owners are called the Wayne Crow Limited, right? So let me show you Wayne Crow. So I'm going to click on this dashboard so you can see how much I've made already. $9,558. I still have a balance of $945 that I've not received claimed yet. So now let's go to the dashboard. So this is Wayne Crow. Can you see that? This is Wayne Crow, the owner of the OLSP system, and his company pays you high ticket commissions, guys. High ticket commission. And you can see already, just like I showed you, I got a payment of $679. But that is not all. Let me show you another payment. Look at this payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. $1,508. How would you like to earn $1,508 over and over and over again? That is high ticket, but that is not all. Let me show you another one. This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Look at it. $1,004 paid to me straight to my Wise account. So think about it. If you want to make like $3,000 in a month and you are able to get $1,000 commissions paid to you 3 times in that month, you have already made $3,000. But that is not all. Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Win Crow Limited. $642 paid to me. How do you like that? You like that, right? And you want to earn high ticket commissions like this. Then you want to be promoting the OLSP system. But let's go on. Let's go on. Look at this. Can you see another commission? This is another commission of $2,000 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. So you can see that the Wayne Crow Limited have the product that you need. It's called the OLSP Team Builder System, okay? Now, the OLSP Team Builder System is a very, very powerful high-ticket system because, one, is a training program, okay? So you are trained on how to start a high ticket business, how to promote the high ticket business, how to get customers to your high ticket business and make money. So you get all the training that you need. And that is what you get when you start promoting this system, okay? It's so easy to make money with this system because everything is done for you. All right, so everything is done for you when it comes to the team builder system. Now, it's so amazing, but let me show you something that about. So if you're a brand new beginner and you are looking for a system that actually makes you high ticket commission, you want to be promoting the OLSP team builder system. Just like you can see me here in this picture, I am a team builder and you can see I earn high ticket commission. Now, what do you get with this team builder system? Like I told you, it's fully done for you. So the only job you do when you join team builders is to share your link, which is what I do. I just share my link. Now, when you share your link, these are things you are going to get. One, you will be able to earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale. Now, most people in the OLSP system, they are promoting just the mega link and they will earn 100% commission. But when you join team builders today, you will be able to earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale. But that is not all. You will also be able to earn 200% second tier commissions in front-end mega link sales. So these are sales made by your team. So that is passive income, right? So look, there is no other high ticket system that pays you passive income. But the OLSP team builder system pay you passive income from the effort of your team members. But that is not all. You will also earn unlimited second tier commissions on all products. That means no matter what your team member buy or sell, look at that. Even if they are buying or they are selling, you will still earn second tier commissions. That is powerful, very, very powerful. But that is not all. You will earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500 to $2,600 per sale. So you can see why I'm so excited about the OLSP team builders, because I have the opportunity to earn $500 commissions to $2,600 commission, and that could be you also. All right, now let me show you some few people that have joined the team builders and they are earning high ticket commissions. Look at them here. Let's check some of them. These are just a few of them. So this is when I made a high ticket sale, and you can see, congratulations to Victor Ifui on a high ticket sale. But I am not the only one. Let me show you another person. Look at Mario Standa. Mario Standa is a team builder, and you can see he is earning high ticket commissions. Let me show you another person. Look at Bob Anderson. Bob Anderson is a team builder, and she is earning high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Ida. She's a team builder, and she's earning high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Jonathan. Jonathan is a team builder, and he is earning high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Lena Bonded. She's a team builder, and she is earning high ticket commission. Look at this. This is Jill Blake. She's a team builder, and she's earning high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is John Bitter. He's a team builder, and he's earning high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Peggy Price. She's a team builder, and she's earning high ticket commission. Look at that. That is Richard. Richard is a team builder, and he's earning high ticket commission. So if you want to start earning high ticket commission where everything is done for you, completely done for you, all the emails are done for you, follow-up are done for you, webinars organized for you, phone call is done for you, then you want to become a team builder. So right now, what you want to do, go below this video right now, just like this, okay? All right. So what you want to do, you just go below this video you are watching. Just wait for it to load. All right, so that is it. Come below this video you are watching right now. Go to the first link that says step 1. Join the OLSP Team Builder System. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now, once you click the first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website. Now, all you have to do is very simple. Enter your first name here. You see that? Then enter your best email address here, okay? Now, you see the green button that says click here to join now. Go ahead, click that green button. Awesome. Now, once you click the green button, that will now bring you to the OLSP Team Builders website, okay? Now, when you get to this page, the first thing you want to do is to watch the training video. So you just come in here and watch this training video here. You see the video? That's what's on this page. So after watching the video, you come below the video to this green button that says click here to get instant access at $997. So imagine you are going to make all these commissions by just paying only $997. One-time payment, so powerful, right? Now look at all these people earning all these high-ticket commissions because they are team builders. Look at this. This is Neil, $2,600 commission. This is Albert, $2,600 commission. This is Jesse, $2,600 commission. This is Joy, $2,600 high ticket commission. This is Lynn, $4,200 commission. This is Prakash, $4,200 in commission. This is Jean, $4,300 in commission. This is Dana, $4,300 in commission. So when you want to earn consistent high ticket commissions, you want to become a team builder today. So go ahead, click this green button, pay your $997, and then your own system will be created. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, guys, that is it. So welcome to the OLSP Team Builder System. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel as I show you more about the OLSP Team Builder System. All right, bye.